Hey guys, what's up? It's Sarah Jane. Thank you for coming back to my YouTube channel. So this is going to be another cat vlog today. The boys were playing around and roughhousing and being cute. We got a catnip bag and Dax was being cute with that. And they were just cuddling and being adorable again. Dax is really growing up and he's just becoming his own personality, so I really like showing you guys the different personalities my cats have. This was filmed on a day where we had a long week, long shifts. It was like a Friday, and it had snowed really bad. We actually tried to go out in the storm and didn't make it more than down the road. We were gonna drive an hour away and it just never happened. So this is what we made of our night after that. So hope you guys enjoy.
He was completely belly up, you know, content and stuff. And then Ying laid down. I started petting him and he started wagging his tail a little happily. And then Dax started attacking his tail. That time I had to provoke him, but he's been attacking his tail all by himself until now.
So we both ended up working like full shifts today, which is why we look so exhausted. And then we came home and basically packed to get ready to go out to Curry and go to Tony's mom's so we could do laundry and try to get some stuff ready to go. But didn't really work. It's been snowing all night and we couldn't get even to the main road. We decided we'd just go back around in full circle and come back home. But I don't think they mind one bit. So come July, Tony and I will be moving out of this apartment, and to save some money for a house or a big move, we're not sure which yet, we will be moving in with his mom to save some money. She's got a decent sized house to where we can move downstairs and we won't bother her as much. We're really grateful for everything that she's been doing with that and for the wedding. But yeah, we have to start doing some deep cleaning in this whole file cabinet. There's some stuff on the top there that I haven't been able to file because most of these drawers are pretty full with files or other things. So I gotta go through that and find out what I can get rid of and what needs to be ready for tax season. So it shouldn't be too hard. It's just starting that's the hard part. I hear it. I just don't know if they hear it. He's just like me. He ends up sleeping like anywhere and he'll just snore while we talk.
beers and not celebrities yet. Anyway, the city was.
We just got home from a rough day. The boys always tend to make us happy. Although they're really fighting today. He's been doing that. He'll like do somersaults like that just to get away from him or try to attack him. Gang's like, back off, and he just keeps going. Gang just lets him do it too because it's company. Oh, good lord. They're so cute, but at the same time, good lord. He's now reacting to his own shadow. Watch. He's watching his own shadow. He's trying to see where it went. Come back out. Here it is. What is he doing? So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye.